In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two different WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. WhatsApp has recently updated, and now this option is easier than ever. So, the first thing you have to do is to open WhatsApp on your phone. Then, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen to go to the menu, and then go to Settings. Now, you can either click here and click on Add Account, or go to Account and then go to Add Account. It's the same. Now, you're going to click on Add Account here, and it will take you to this screen. You're going to press on Agree and Continue, and then you're going to type in your phone number and continue with the next steps until you finally have configured your second account. And that's it. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you on the next one.